Now, over in Manchester, political representatives say they have a water crisis which could be addressed if the state makes proper use of several wells in the parish. Krista Campbell has that angle.
Manchester is in a crisis when it comes to water.
Northwest Manchester Member of Parliament Michael Phillips is concerned, but Councillor for the Belfield Division Mario Mitchell says he has the solution.
We're not short of water. There's about 17 wells like this, sources of water that have never run dry.
So why does MP Phillips say only 30% of the constituency have potable water?
Community of Comfort Hall and Evergreen, who has one of the largest water tables in the parish of Manchester, more than Porous, gets its water from St. Elizabeth. About 4 months, going into 5 months now, we haven't had water down there. The pump at Union keep on breaking down. The other section of the constituency, the Mandeville area, will get water from Porous or from St. Elizabeth down in Pepper. Inconsistent. The hills of Huntley, where the water will come and stop, get water probably 2 or 3 days a week.
Additional housing developments have increased the demand for water, and that is expected to get worse when the highway from Clarendon to Manchester is completed. Hence, this advice about the Perth development.
We had said to the NHT people that we cannot approve the development because we know the parish had a water situation. We were guaranteed by the NWC through a letter from one of their vice presidents that there will be some development or some water infrastructure put in place.
But Mandeville Mayor Donovan Mitchell says little improvements have been made. It's why he supported Councillor Mitchell's call for the government to make better use of natural water resources which are already in Manchester.
Well, you have about 17 wells like this. This is one. They're owned by the National Irrigation Commission, they're owned by the National Water Commission, they're owned by the Backside Company, Windalco. And some of them are not being used, some of them are underutilized, some of them are not even having any infrastructure. The amount of wells in Porous in these areas can be able to supply all of Manchester, all of St. Elizabeth, all of Clarendon, all of Chillarney, to as far as St. Catherine.
In the meantime, the political representatives are asking for special allocation to tackle the drought situation in Manchester. They say they're spending millions weekly to truck water to schools, health centres and communities.
When I became Member of Parliament, it was about 250 million. If I'm to ask or add inflation to it, you're talking probably about $500 million now.
We have increased our trucking of water to the parishes, but divisions like I represent in the Belfield division, which is a hilly terrain, having struggles. If we don't truck water, the people don't have access to water, and it's not raining now.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.